Scotty here at Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a new green juice recipe. This is my Green is Life juice recipe. I'm using the Greenstar Elite Juicer here. This is the same juicer I use at home. In my opinion, it's the best juicer in the world for juicing hard vegetables and leafy greens, especially things like celery. So let's get started. I'm just going to turn it on. In we go. I can just feed the celery straight in. The Greenstar is not going to jam up like an ordinary juicer, like a single auger style juicer, when juicing celery. It's actually got little teeth on the gears, which just means it's not going to jam up. It's going to cut up those strings of the celery. All those strings there, it's going to chop them up really easily. Okay, so I do need to feed all the ingredients into the Greenstar here, into the feeding chute. I'm going to use some apple. Okay, nice little bit of sweetness in my juice. I've got a little bit of kale here. Absolutely so good for you. Not a problem for the Greenstar. We're just going to put that straight in. Use your fingers to push it in. Just make sure you don't put your fingers all the way down to the gears, of course. That wouldn't be good. You might lose a finger. Alright, and a little bit more kale there. So you just keep alternating your fruits and vegetables. I've got some beautiful mint. Put in a little bit more apple. I've got some red oak lettuce here. You can use romaine lettuce. I couldn't find any. That's what I would have liked to have used. But any type of healthy lettuce, cos lettuce, really good for you. This is just such an easy way to get all those nutrients, antioxidants, minerals into your body. It's going to taste absolutely amazing. I've got some cucumber, really refreshing. Just put that straight in as well. Going to add a nice cooling flavor to the juice. And just basically just keep going here. I've got some spinach as well. Alright, so that's it. We have reached our maximum capacity there. We've made a litre of beautiful fresh green juice. Now with the Greenstar Elite, you're going to get a really dry pulp. You'll see here, a lot of juices will, you'll get a lot more pulp and it'll be a lot wetter than that, okay? So that basically means we're getting maximum nutrition, really nutrient dense juice. Look at that, 1 litre of beautiful green juice. Look at the color in that, all right? Liquid goodness. I'm just gonna give that a quick stir before I try some, making a bit of a mess here. And we'll pour that out into our juice glass. Oh, maybe pour a little bit slower when you do it at home. Get a little bit carried away on video. Look at that, I'm not even gonna fill up this massive juice glass. Try some of that. It tastes amazing. Now you wouldn't think all those greens mixed with a little bit of apple and cucumber could taste that good. Absolutely tastes amazing. I can feel my body thanking me for it already. It's gonna love it. Happy juicing.